Hello from Berlin. My name is Kateryna Ilchenko, and I'm lecturer of digital marketing and sales in Arden University. In this video, I'll share with you my best practices which I use, how I use AI in my educational approach. And as a lecturers, we are very often holding different hats, sometimes as a teacher, sometimes as administrator, as a module leader, as a researcher, as a developer. Yeah, we're always jungling with the different tasks. So my case studies would be from these different perspectives. To give you a bit of context, whom I'm working with. I primarily work with the master level students and the MBA level. These are international people who are coming from all over the world in Germany, not just to get a diploma. They mostly have already a master's degree, and definitely they have bachelors, and their aim is to come to the next level in career, in life. They want to get not a diploma, they want to get knowledge and success in life. Case number one is when I'm acting as a teacher, as a lecturer, designing classes. One of the most effective formats of running a class, to my mind, is simulations. Example. We have a topic, creating a marketing strategy. After giving short theoretical material, I split students into teams, and every team is acting as a marketing agency. With the help of AI, I create a case study, a company with a specific budget, with the specific objectives and time frame. Every agency should create their vision of a strategy, and they will pitch it at the end of a class. So for running real life simulations, AI helps me to invent a case study, and it gives just in seconds. To create slides, AI is a brainstorm partner for every marketing agency, and when they are pitching, and they have their pitch deck, I also upload these pitch decks inside my AI assistant, and assistant gives formative feedback per every pitch deck. What is wrong, what is good. I also give feedback, and at the end of a class, everyone votes whose presentation was the best in business point of view, because business votes with the money. Second case is very short, but I love it. When I act as administrator, I'm working a lot with a laptop, writing emails, formative feedback to students. Very often my eyes are swollen, and of course I want to save some time and also reduce a bit pressure on my eyes. If you're also wearing glasses, you know what I mean. What helps me in this case is voice dictation mode. Oh my God, I love this function. I'm not writing emails at all. I'm only dictating emails. Also, while checking the student work, I'm dictating the feedback, which is specific per every paragraph or every section, and it reduces time and reduces pressure on my eyes. Oh my God, thank you, the person who invented this voice dictation mode. Case number three, and as a perspective of a module leader. When you are a module leader, you have to ensure that all tutors who are leading the same module have the same standards, the same information. They are aware of typical mistakes, difficulties of running the module. I have 18 different lecturers, and the problem that they are located in different countries around the globe, as our university is very big. And different countries means different time zones. And to solve this problem, I made custom GPT. I've taught this GPT the rubrics, the assessment, the marking standards, the typical questions, typical mistakes, what to pay attention throughout the classes. And a part of having a tutor spec, I also share this custom GPT with all lecturers who are leading in the same module where I'm a module leader. And this gives them opportunity to get immediate answers to their questions without problem of waiting for my answer and without delays because of a different time zone. And case number 4, as a perspective of educational content designer. Very often I have to create some new workshop, new module, or the latest case, I invented educational game. So it was born in my mind. I have a concept. I created content. While playing this game, people are learning how to build and scale their business in terms of sales, in terms of marketing, in terms of finances and business model, etc. So once I had this idea in my mind, I asked AI to help me with formulation the content, formatting the content into different shapes, LinkedIn post, newsletter, summary, instructions, and the biggest benefit is with coding. I would never ever think that I could code something because I'm not a coder. I'm a marketer, I'm an entrepreneur, but not a coder. But AI helped me with that. And the release of this game would be in September 2025, and I invite you to test it. Talking about outcomes, quantitative outcomes, such metric as submission rate in all my groups are between 90 and 100%. Success rate is always 85+%. I'm always implementing different approaches, different formats like simulations, brainstorming, debating, practical skills, focus on practical skills. So it's very easy to make a final project when you have a skill, not just a knowledge. And qualitative outcomes. This is the best in my work as a teacher. When you are getting such feedbacks, I found a job, thank you. I passed my probation period and now I'm working, thank you. My parents are praying that I got such a great teacher. Oh my God, in such moments, I'm about to cry, honestly. The last I would like to say in this video is I truly believe that AI is not a competitor for higher education. Because to be able to use AI properly, students have need to get the basic knowledge, how it works, the logic, the processes, the structure, and all this we do in higher education. But AI helps to get skills faster if they are not lazy and using artificial intelligence together with natural intelligence. This is the best combination and working story.